The low-pressure gas switch is typically mounted on or very close to the gas valve assembly and looks like a small round or disc-shaped device with 1 or 2 electrical leads attached. Technicians and homeowners should first turn off power and gas before inspecting any components. The switch commonly screws into a pressure tap or is clipped to a nearby manifold tube, and it is often secured with a small hex fitting or threaded port. Visually, the device is usually a metal or plastic disc roughly the size of a coin with a short stem or threaded boss that connects to the gas pressure line, and it will have 1 or 2 insulated wires or a small connector that sends a signal to the control board. Use a flashlight and mirror to view tight spaces and follow the metal gas line back from the valve area, since manufacturers place it within a few inches of the main gas valve or regulator. If the switch has a vacuum-style hose, it will connect to a small nipple rather than directly to the port, which indicates it senses differential pressure from another location. When manuals are available, match part numbers and diagrams to confirm appearance and location, because some systems use slightly different housings or mounting orientations. If you must remove the switch for testing, capture the exact wiring positions and pressure connection orientation. Then use a multimeter on the continuity or switch function setting while applying controlled pressure with a hand pump or equivalent rated tool. Common mistakes include assuming every system uses the same style switch, which leads to looking in the wrong spot. So check the schematic in the equipment manual and trace the gas valve and regulator to locate the tap closest to the valve. Another issue is disturbing wiring or pressure connections without shutting off gas and power, which creates safety and diagnostic errors, so always isolate systems and take photos before disconnecting anything. A third problem is misidentifying the switch for a thermostat or limit control because of similar wiring terminals. Verify by following the tubing or port that connects to the gas pressure source and confirm the part shape and mounting before replacing. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors with relevant experience for gas valve and pressure switch work, and helps contractors find work by listing projects and responding to homeowner inquiries. We also host a discussion community where users and professionals share photos, location tips, and real-world identification guidance.